Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your WeChat. The next thing you want to do is to click on Me. Then go ahead and click on Pay and Services. Go ahead and click on Bank Card. Then it's going to take you right here. So these are recommended bank card here by WeChat Hong Kong Wallet Funding. However, if your card is not available right here, there is another way by which you can use to ask for card that is going to be supported by WeChat Hong Kong Wallet. And for you to apply for the card, click on Apply for Card right here. Then it's going to take you right here. So you have different options right here. So the first option here is HSBC plus Union Pay dual currency diamond credit card. So this is go for about 1.29 cents and first 2 years annual fee waiver. So this is the first one right here. Another card right here, AEON Union Pay credit card. You can swipe and scroll down and choose anyone that is very much okay for you right here. So anyone you choose right here, for you to select anyone, simply click on, let's say for instance, I want to go for this HSBC plus Union credit card right here for dual currency, that is for USD or any other currency, but you are using it in your WeChat Hong Kong wallet. So what you need to do is to simply click on Apply Now. Then you have detail right here. So you have a limited time to confirm. You will be diverted to external website provided by third party. What you need to do is to hit on confirm right here, and you will be taken right here. So here you have to read detail about how you can apply for this particular card right here. And this, so scroll down and read detail right here. So once you understand everything right here, hit on apply. Then limited time welcome offer. Get up to 1.2 USD reward cash when you apply for an HSBC plus Union Pay credit card dual currency. So terms and conditions apply. Click on apply now. So once you click on apply now, you will be given proper information to fill right here. So apply online now. So you can see the card detail right here. HSBC plus Union Pay dual currency diamond credit card. So this is how the card is going to look like. Read the detail right here and then hit on apply. Once you hit on apply, extra reward of 200, you can go through everything right here. Hit on apply. Once you hit on apply, the card will be issued to you and you can eventually link the card into your WeChat wallet and start using your WeChat wallet Hong Kong card with your WeChat balance Hong Kong. It's that simple. For more tutorial about WeChat Pay and WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.